Hey everyone! Do you know that you can set up an ImoLaza mini controller in just 3 minutes? Here's a detailed guide to help you through the process. The setup process is simple and consists of 3 easy steps: preparation, Wi-Fi connection, and weather station selection. Step 1. Preparation. First, please ensure your device is ready. Press and hold the reset button in the top left corner of the controller for 5 seconds to reset the device. Now, on your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location services. It's super simple. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center, then tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. Then, go to Settings on your phone, find Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, and toggle it on. Step 2. Connecting the controller to your home Wi-Fi. Place your phone within 10 feet of the controller. Wait for the app to scan for the device, then tap on it when it appears. If cannot find it, tap Click here on top to manually scan the QR code and start the setup. Start by giving your controller an easily recognizable name, then tap Get Phone's Wi-Fi to access your phone's Wi-Fi. Your phone must be connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network in advance for this to work. Then, enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Be careful not to include spaces. After that, return to the connection screen and tap Next to start the connection process. When you see this screen, congratulations! Your device has been successfully added. Final step: weather station selection. Tap Add Address. Enter your street address in the input box, and the system will automatically detect your location and display nearby weather stations. Select a nearby weather station to guide your controller's operation. Remember, the more accurate your address, the closer the selected weather station will be to your location. We recommend checking Allow System Recommendation so the system can automatically switch to other available weather stations if needed. Fantastic! You've completed all the steps to add your device. To learn more about ImoLaza Mini Controller, don't forget to subscribe to the ImoLaza Mini YouTube channel or click on the next video to continue exploring.